What up, my people? It's your favorite boy, Iskar. And you know what time it is. It's review time, okay? So today we're going to be doing something very special, something nice, something BTS-y. Are you with me now? So today we're going to be reviewing a dance video by BTS, okay? Their border dance choreography is here. It's giddy. Yo. Nine. Oh no, what was that? Let's take it back a bit. Nice.
So smooth like the car I ride. Even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Big boss and I make a hater stay on their job. And I be on these girls' necks like the
Did you see those
big boss
movements?
and I make even your best party planner couldn't catch this vibe. Big boss and I make a hater stay on their job. And I be on these girls' necks like the back of their bobs. Houston's finest in the room with bouncers. I'll get ratchet in they suits and blouses. I remember writing flows in my room in college. Now I need global entry to the shows I'm rocking. Smooth like cocoa butter, my drip more than a puddle. They know that I'm the wave. Take over every summer. They must be giving Stevie if they ever had to wonder. Cause every beat I get on get turned into hubba bubba.
Yo, that was lovely. That was nice. That's amazing. That was smooth like butter. That was amazing. The flow, the energy, every beat is on point. Crazy stuff. I know you enjoyed it. That was nice. That was amazing. Make sure to subscribe, like, comment. If there's any video, any dance you want me to hop on, just write it down in the comment section. I got you. I'm here for you, okay? Feel me? I'm here for you, okay? So thank you for clicking the subscribe button. I appreciate it, okay? One love.